Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Merle, I'm Goodful's resident crazy plant lady. So today I'm going to be unboxing their super cool new AeroGarden. The cool thing about the AeroGarden is that it's supposed to basically do your job for you. That sounds a little too good to be true. So I'm gonna look into it today and let's see what you get when you order the AeroGarden. Okay, I'm so excited to get in there. All right, here she is. It looks like all I really have to do is plug it in. Maybe this is why it's supposed to be like idiot-proof. That's great. We just put the little seed pods right in here. We've got gourmet herbs, heirloom salad greens, cherry tomatoes, the Grow Anything kit. So you could even regrow vegetables that you already have in your kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in the heirloom salad greens just to see how easy it actually is. 6 little seed pods, Miracle Grow liquid plant food, 6 little grow domes, and then the seed pod kit instructions. You don't even have to go buy dirt. Everything is included in this for you. Lazy and foolproof. Does not get much better than that. I'm going to put these in, see how easy it really is. So far it's pretty easy, can't lie. I'm supposed to put 1 capful of the plant food in the water that I'm pouring in there. This is the hardest part so far. Ooh. Okay, perfect. I gotta put these little domes on top of the seed pods and then I turn it on. That's it? Yes. Really? Cool. I'm almost insulted by how easy this is. Let there be light. Not only does this make my skin look better, the light turns itself on and off so that your plants get the perfect amount of light. Something else I noticed is that it has an adjustable light, so as your plants grow, it'll grow with them. So eventually they're gonna be this tall. That's exciting. The AeroGarden also comes in 3 different colors. I can hear the filter. Can you hear that? Here, let me put my mic. The water's just cycling through to all the little seed pods and now I think I'm just supposed to leave it. That's it. Wow, 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 wow. It only took like a minute to set up, 2 minutes max. It won't even let you mess up the basic stuff. There's little lights right up front that'll tell you when it needs more food or water. If you wanna start gardening, you've never done it before, or you just don't have like great light conditions in your apartment and you wanna have fresh herbs year round, the AeroGarden is perfect for you. This is like the perfect gift I can give to all my friends who say they wanna have plants, but then I know they're not actually gonna take care of them. You can't mess it up. I believe in you. I mostly believe in you because I'm pretty sure this thing is foolproof, but I do believe in you. Nonetheless, I do. You could put this thing in the basement and it would grow. Where else could you put it? You could put it under your bed and it would grow. If you're intrigued, check the link below. The AeroGarden is on sale now, so what are you waiting for? Go get one. I am. I'm about to go get one myself. Maybe I can take this one. Can I have this one? I'm gonna take that as a yes. Thanks everyone.